Hey everybody, we're halfway through December already, and that means only a couple of days to go till Christmas. And in that Christmas spirit, I have a gift for you. This full watercolor tutorial is open to all my Patreon members, not just the paying ones. And this bonus tutorial is a way to say thank you for all the support you have given me over the years, and I hope you'll enjoy. This free tutorial we're going to paint a beautiful zoomed in Christmas tree with some baubles, and there's a few things you will learn in this tutorial. I will tell you all about my masking with sticker paper trick. We will paint pine branches and we'll make it look like there were lights on them. We will use shadow and highlights to make an object look round. We will add a trick with a curved line to help with that effect. We'll make it look like some ornaments are on the foreground and some on the background, and we'll make our painting look cohesive with our color choices. Join me on Patreon as a free member to enjoy this tutorial for free and without commitment. See you there. Bye.